I already told that Shah Jahan and Jahangir were very prominent of their arts and architecture. So we are going to discuss here the Mughals empires, their artic and architectures, how they were ruled and how they construct the buildings. Here I given the instructions that um, in the thousand years between 8 to 18th century, ruler built many structures. You know that in the 1000 years, like how we'll study as a 700 to 1700, between that 1000 years, same 1000 years between the century. I told 700 means you have to say as a 8th century. It is as finished at 1500 means you have to say as a 18th century. So same as here they mentioned, in the year of between the 8th and 18th century, ruler built many structure. Ruler means like a Mughal empires. Structure is meant for the private and the public users. They built as a two types of structure, that is one is a private, one is a public, that you are familiar with this word. Private means what will be using on your own, that is called a private. Public means we can, anybody can use and they come and go, that is mean by the public. Some of the example I have given: palaces is a private where the king can go to their palace, other cannot be entered. Like a fort also, it is a warehouses or it is storerooms where the king have the right to go to that places, but not the public places. But next, like a temple, tanks and the bazaars. Temples every public can go and come. Tanks they can use their water supply from that. Bazaars means they can do shop. Some private and publics I have explained here. Apart from that ruler, Qutbuddin Aibak is one of the first ruler in Agra. Before that Akbar has come, he was constructed the Qutub Minar. I know you already familiar with that Qutub Minar, one of the tallest architectures in Agra. He only the person he built in 1199 at Agra, but he only built the basement, that's all. It is one of the height, it will be having the 5 floor like that, but the first floor only it is built by the Qutbuddin Aibak. Remaining floors are built by Istumis. Many of the rulers were built against the one by one. Now the word you will be using that balcony that was found by the from Qutbuddin Aibaks of Qutub Minar. The first balcony was built in that places, that architecture. It shows the first balcony by the small arches. You can see the pictures I show you. It is like a curved and angular. What is the shape of the Qutub Minar means? You have you seen that it is like a circular, like a curved round, that are angular straight. The angles like a 90-degree will be that is the angular and the curve. It was like that shape. The surface has been great impact in the 13th century. It was one of the famous has become in the 13th century, one of the pilgrim places also. Next, this is a picture of the Qutub Minar. You can see this. Next topic is engineering skills and construction. How they use the how the engineering will be survey on their buildings and constructions. In that time, 700 years, that century, the 18th century, new technological article styles began to using in the buildings in between 7th and 10th century. Like many rooms, doors, windows were made in the buildings, like a stupa structure. Before that, we have to construct a door, windows, rooms. We will be seeing in our home only like a kitchens, halls, like that. Many rooms as we started with a superstructure by them, making the roof with a large Tarabit structure of the architecture was also adopted, like a dome size designs, arches like the Tarabits of mentors. You can see the Taj Mahal. By entering, they'll be having the Tarabit like a dome shapes, arches shapes. By entering that type of structure also they have entered. In this two new developers are seen from the 12th century, that is arcuate, which is called as arches, and high quality of lime cement also used for the faster uses construction. You can see the many of the Taj Mahal, they'll be having the arches and they'll be having the faster construction too. Means they'll be using the limestone is one of the quality. That time we don't have the cement, They'll be using the limestone for the finishing the first construction before that medieval period. This is one of the arches. You can see some keystone arcuate we can be here. This is one of the biolysis, what we say as a step level. They're used for the many ways, like harvesting of the rainwater. They're saving the rainwater, or for the tanks of water supplies. Like many things that is will call as a biolysis. Next topic is building temples, mosques, and tanks. Here the rulers built a grand temple mosque to demonstrate their wealth, power, and the prestige. You know already. I thought that one king they have to show their powers, everything. They'll depend upon they be building the temples. I told in the Cholas, yes, right, in Tanjavur. Same as the kings, still also we will be used as the Cholas dynasty. Same only to demonstrate their wealth and power. They'll be building the temple, mosque, and many temples. They'll be taking the kings took the god's name because of wanted to appear like a god. Why means for the god they'll keep their names. Yes, right. Same as for Rajadeva, he honored his god as a Rajeshwaram, like a Raja Rajeshwara, and same temples as he has kept for their god to appear like a god. Like that, Sultan kings also, the king ruler themselves also become as a shadow of the god. They said, I am only the shadow for you all. They be saying like that. Okay, new dynasty came to power to establish a moral right.